Now we are going to discuss illustration number 13 from your textbook. This is most important question. So please take mark as an IMP in your textbook. Whenever you are going to try to prepare yourself, this question must be considered for your practice purpose. Now please pay attention. I have written on the board the question. We have first column item. So we have A, B, C, D, E and F. Now the unit column is available, and as per my instructions, every time I say with I inform you every time that whenever they have given a column of unit, at that time we have to pay more attention because of it needs care to equalize the things first. So unit column is always associated with the price column only. Unit column is associated with the price column only. If in the unit they have given kilogram, it means what we consume. The consumption, that is called quantity, it is also available in the same measure of unit. That means what? If prices are available in kilograms, also we need the quantity in kilogram. Got it? Okay. So they have given the price of 20 kilograms. This is the unit. But we need a price of 1 kilogram because of middle class family cannot purchase the wholesale things. They are always going to find out the retail things. So the price in 2015 it is 300 rupees, but it is not for 1 kg. It is for 20 kilograms. So we have to convert such price into 1 kilogram price. The very simple way we have 300 divided by 20. So we got it 1 kg price is 15 rupees. It is 15 rupees. So see here we have to convert 20 kilogram price into 1 kilogram price. So I have to cancel 20 from here. So it becomes kg, and instead of 300 I have written here 15. Same, the price of 2016 440, but it is not about 1 kg, it is about 20 kg. So divide by 20, it becomes 22. So I can change, I will change the 20 kilogram price into 1 kilogram price. So my dear friends, whatever price are available, it is divided by 20. So we got it the price of 1 kilogram. So okay, after converting price in kilograms, we have to pay attention that is our quantity available in same measure of units. So yes, my dear friends, they have given kilograms. See, quantity number doesn't matter. Consumption is different to person and family to family. Some family are using consume 10 kg and some are using 20 kg. So number is not available, but the measure of unit is important. So if our unit is kilograms, so price of kilograms we needed. Same, we need the quantity in kilograms. So there is no need to change anything. So first thing is in uniform. Item A, unit becomes kilograms, prices of kilograms we have, and the quantity available also in kilograms. So now we have to move on the item B. Now please pay attention on the unit. They have given quintal. So the prices are available about the quintal. So first of all we have to convert such prices into quintals. Okay. If it is available, then the quantity available also in quintal. Check out here. The measure of unit is quintal for commodity B. So if the quantity available in quintals, there is no need because of they are in equal format. It is a uniformity. But quantity available in kilograms and the prices are available about the quintal. So we have to convert the prices of quintal into kilograms. So how? So all we know is that 1 quintal is equal to 100 kilograms. I repeat again, 1 quintal is equal to 100 kilograms. So we have to divide this price into by 100. So we got it the price of 1 kg. So 500 divided by 100 is 5. 700 divided by 100 it is 7, and our measure of unit is changed. Instead of quintal we have to mention over there kilogram. So you can see the commodity B, unit is kilogram, the prices are available for kilogram, 5 rupees kilo, 7 rupees kilo, and yes my dear friends, quantity available in same measure of units. Now for item C. Now it's a good news, they have given only kilogram, means what the prices are available in kilogram. So 60 rupees kilogram, 75 rupees kilogram, but we need the same measure of unit in quantity also, but they are using here gram. So we have to convert grams into kilograms. So all we know that 1000 gram is equals to 1 kg. So here 1200 gram, it is divisible by 1000, so we got it 1.2 kilogram. 1000 gram is equals to 1 kg, so here they have given 2000 gram, so 2000 gram becomes 2 kg. So this is the simplest way to make a uniformity in units. Now move on the item D. The measure of unit they have given meter, the prices are available about 1 meter, and please my dear friend you can mention quantity available also in the same measure of units. So there is no need to change anything in the commodity D. Now we have to move on the item E. Measure of unit is liter, the prices are available about the liter, and also they have given quantity in same measure of units, liter and liter. Means what? Again there is no need to change anything in commodity E. Now last commodity F. They have given dozen, 30 rupees dozen and 36 rupees dozen, but quantity available in pieces, 8 pieces and 10 pieces. So we have two options. Either we have to convert pieces into dozen. We have two options. Either we have to convert pieces into dozen, or we have to convert our price into pieces. Okay, so 12 piece is equals to 1 dozen. 12 piece is equals to 1 dozen, but here we don't have such kind of pieces. So instead of to convert our quantity into dozens, it is easy to convert your price into pieces. So instead of dozen, I would like to use pieces. So 30 rupees dozen. So what about 1 piece? So divide by 12. So 12. So we got it here 2.5. So 2.5 it is per piece. Here 36 rupees about dozens price. So we have to convert also. What about 1 piece? So 36 divided by 12, it becomes 3 rupees. So this is the concept how to equalize the measure of unit for all things. Okay. So now after equalize all the concept in units, we have to calculate in elastase index number, passes index number, and Fisher's index number. For that, we have price of 2015 and price of 2016. So base year is 2015. So here we have to consider this P0. This is our P1. Quantity of 2015 is our base year. It is Q0, and now here it is Q1. So one by one. First thing is that last payers. Index number. So remember your original formula, I is equals to P1 by P0 into 100. Last we are giving importance to quantity of base year, so I have to introduce Q0 over here. Okay, this is about the one thing. We need summation of the things, and we have to use the small l. So it has to be written next to I in small letters IL. So our formula becomes easy. Index number of last pair is equal to sum of P1 Q0 divided by sum of P0 Q0 into 100. Now we are going to make our first column, that is P1 Q0, and the second column is P0 Q0. Okay. P0 into Q0, 15 into 5, that is P1 Q0. P1 here we have 22, and Q0. P1, Q0, 22 into 5, it is 110. 7 into 10, it is 70. 75 into 1.2, it is 90. 15 into 15, it is 225. 36 into 18, 648. And 3 into 8, it is 24. Please get total of these columns. Total of each column is 1167. This is the total of the first column. Now, to make the next column P0, Q0. So here we have P0 and this is your Q0. 15 into 5, it is 75. 5 into 10, it is 50. 60 into 1.2 is 72. 14.25 into 50, it is 213.75. 32 into 18, it is 576. 2.5 into 8, it becomes 20. Now get total of this column, it becomes 1006.75. Okay, after getting this total, we are able to get our last best index number. So here we have to mention 1167 divided by 1006.75 into 100. By using our calculators, we are able to get our answer is 115.92. The excess part is called rise in prices. So right now there is a 115.92 minus 100, that is 15.92 percentage. Now we have to move to calculate passes index number. So number 2. Again the original formula I is equals to P1 by P0 into 100. Passage giving importance to quantity of current year. So we have to introduce quantity of current year, use summation sign, and our formula becomes to find out passage index number. So now we need to make 2 more columns. Is P1 Q1, then P0 Q1. So now P1 Q1. This is your P1 and this one is your Q1. 22 into 8, it is 176. Then 7 into 15, it is 105. 75 into 2, it is 150. 15 into 25, it is 375. 36 into 30, it is 1080. 3 into 10 is 30, and the total of this column is 1916. Now the last column to be prepared, it is P0 Q1. So P0 here we have and Q1 here we have. 15 into 8 is 120. 5 into 15 it is 75. 60 into 2 it is 120. 14.25 into 25 is 356.25. 32 into 30 it is 960. Then 2.5 into 10 it is 25, and our total is 1656.25. Okay, so now passage index number, we have to replace the values. 1916 divided by 1656.25 into 100. By using our calculators, we are able to get answer. It is 115.68. So again, the excess part above 100, it shows rise in price. So right now there is rise in price. 115.68 minus 100, that is 15.68. Remember, index number shows percentage relative changes. So each and everything shows only in percentage. Now, third one, to prepare Fisher's index number. So IF is equal to root of IL into IP. Fisher's index number is a geometric mean of last present passes index number. So very easy, we have to mention both the answers one by one. 115.92 into 115.68. You can use your calculator and get it the answer, and your answer is 115.8. So therefore again so this is the way to calculate last pair passing Fisher's index number if the column of unit is available. Okay, there are many examples in your soft copies, many examples in your textbook. You have to find out such examples when your column of unit is available, and you have to calculate easily. And if any problem is arise, you can call me anytime. Thank you very much.